In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft OneNote. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove it, whether it's installed as its own app or bundled with Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. First, a quick note on how OneNote shows up on Windows. On some PCs, OneNote is installed as a separate app, and you'll see it listed on its own. On others, it comes as part of the Office suite, so you won't find a separate uninstall entry. The path you follow depends on which situation you have. If OneNote is installed as a separate app, start by opening the Windows settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. In Settings, go to Apps, then choose Apps and Features. You'll see a list of installed apps. You can scroll or use the search box to type OneNote or Microsoft OneNote. When you find it, click on it and choose Uninstall. Confirm any prompts that appear, and Windows will remove it just like any other app. If you get a message that OneNote is currently running, close the app and try again. This method is straightforward and works when OneNote was installed from the Microsoft Store or as a standalone program. If OneNote is part of Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, you'll make the change from Control Panel instead of Settings. Open Control Panel, then select Programs and click Programs and Features. In the list, find your Microsoft Office installation. Select it and click Change. You'll be guided through a setup window. Choose the option labeled Add or Remove Features, or a similar wording depending on your version. You'll see a list of Office components. Locate OneNote and set it to Not Available, which tells Office to remove that component while keeping everything else. Continue through the prompts to apply the change. This process may take a few minutes and might ask you to close Office apps. When it finishes, OneNote will be removed, but other programs like Word and Excel will remain installed. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Uninstalling the app doesn't delete notes stored in the cloud. If your notebooks are synced to your Microsoft account, they'll still be available the next time you sign in on another device or if you reinstall later. If Windows asks you to restart, go ahead and do that to complete the removal. And if you're not sure whether OneNote is gone, use the Start menu search to look for it. If nothing comes up, the uninstall worked. That's it. Now you know how to uninstall Microsoft OneNote on Windows, whether it's a standalone app or part of the Office suite.